What's going on? So I want to share with you 4 free ways you can determine how much traffic a keyword gets. And if you're blogging and shooting for a keyword, you're like, this keyword get a lot of traffic. I'm going to show you exactly what to do. So the first way, and this is the way that I really like doing, okay, I use this a lot, is in Google Trends. If you type in the keyword, there's boxes of information that pop up. So for example, say I'm going for the keyword how to fix a car. I want to write an article or a blog post about this. I want to rank it for the search engines. So the more information that pops up, the more traffic this puppy will get. So these are just buckets of information, educational guesses. So this one gets a lot of traffic. Now, this may be too competitive to rank for. You could be like, wow, there's a lot of high domains, I'll never get to the top spots. So with blogging, you want to niche down. So instead of writing an article about how to fix a car, you can go more long tail keywords. So how to fix a red Honda Civic sunroof with no tools and no hands. There's no way to do it. So I wrote that into here, and guess what? There's no data. See, so nobody searches for this. 1% out in a year, no hands. I gotta fix my car. I couldn't help myself. So this is a great little free tool to see how much traffic a keyword gets. It's completely free. Just go to Google Trends, type in the keyword, and you'll see how many boxes pop up. And if 2 boxes come up, then that's better than 1. So they're like little buckets. Gives you an idea. All right, so the next one is with a keyword planner. You know how you pay for ads? Well, when you type in the keywords, it gives you a range. See how to fix a car, right? Boom. It says average monthly searches 1,000 to 10,000. That's like a good little range that bounces around in there. That gives you an idea that, hey, if I write an article, I can get some website traffic from this bad boy, okay? All right, that's another great way. A third one is this free tool called Keyword Surfer, which is not bad at all. And when you type it in here, it'll give you an idea of estimated monthly searches. It says 1,000. Now, you got to take these tools with a grain of salt because they could be wrong. It's just educated guesses, and I'm thinking that how to fix a car gets more searches than 1,000. That's the low end. All right, and the last one over here is Ubersuggest. This is a free tool. Well, actually, it's free for 3 uses. After that, you have to pay for it, but it's not bad. So you enter your keyword into here, and it'll tell you not only how competitive it is, but how much traffic in a range that keyword will get. And I'll give you, and all those ideas can kind of give you like, oh, okay, and they're all the same. It gives you an idea on how much traffic it gets. It's like predicting the weather. It's not exact science. It's just educated guesses. And that's when it comes to getting traffic, how much traffic a keyword gets, that's what you're going after. Because, and the cool thing is they're all free. So if you want to learn more about blogging, you can check out this video. I'll put it somewhere on the screen, and I'll put it down in the description as well. It gives you 20 benefits to having a blog. And you might be thinking, oh, blogging's dead. But there's a lot of cool stuff you can do with it. Not just rank in Google. There's a lot you can do with it. And you can learn more while watching this video. So it's pretty cool. Anyways, I hope this might have been helpful. And you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.